Hey, what's going on everyone? Jonathan Davis with DAS. Please pay attention to the content in this video thoroughly. We are selling this 4Runner in two separate ways. First and foremost, 05 4Runner Sport Edition, 4-wheel drive, 2-owner, Carfax certified, guaranteed vehicle, clean and clear title, 250,000 miles, but you guys know we do not sell high mileage vehicles, and then when we do, they got to be extremely clean. I want you to please note, we have not touched this vehicle whatsoever. We haven't detailed it, we haven't reconditioned it. You're seeing it the way it came in for a new inventory. We had, for all you guys that track us, you know we do a lot of builds, a lot of restorations, and because of that, our 17-man crew at our new facility, by the way, stays very, very busy. And in doing that, vehicles like this that we plan to do some upgrades and services end up sitting on our lot for 2, 3, 4, 5 months, which is a little bit silly. So moving forward, we're gonna advertise vehicles the way they come in because we do find nice, clean vehicles and we make them that much nicer. For someone that does not want to pay a premium after we do all of our work to it, this is the opportunity to buy a vehicle that's nice, clean, gonna be cheap without us having to put money in it, and in return having to make money off of that money. So 05 4Runner 250, extremely clean, drives out well. We haven't touched it. You'll see the original condition. So the first part of the video, we're gonna sell you this truck just the way it is. And then if you want us to do some additional services and everything else and reconditioning, we will be happy to do so. Nothing's wrong with the rear tailgate whatsoever. Just have it opened up because we were taking pictures, and we'll show you why we're here. You got your cover here. You got your midsection there. Your lower section here, carpet is super, super clean. Factory tow package. Body, as we go around, you'll see has no damage. Couple little nicks, couple little, I will say, let me correct that. The headlights are gonna get replaced regardless. There's a little bit of cracking in the headlights, so even this first version of selling this, it's gonna have 2 new headlights. And of course, even if we don't recondition it, we're still gonna clean it, vacuum. We're gonna make it look presentable. You're not gonna buy it with dirt on it and loose dirt inside and everything else. We're just not gonna go through our very strict reconditioning that takes days and days, if not weeks and weeks. So body, like I said, very, very clean. Keep in mind, this truck has been sitting outside. There's probably, yes, there's a good amount of surface dirt on it. So after a cleanup and a quick wax, it's gonna really pop. So, but our second version with a paint correction is gonna get it that much nicer. But as you see, the body is in phenomenal condition overall. Extremely hot day. I'm sweating out here, and the AC in this thing at idle, sitting out here in the sun, is blowing absolutely ice cold. Only thing to really nitpick on the exterior are the headlights that I've already discussed, and the bottom panel have rock chips underneath the headlights. Other than that, it shows very, very well. Little tiny PDR dent right here, but with a paint correction, which is a multiple stage polishing, wet sanding, compound, and buffing, this thing will look absolutely awesome. You have 4 matching tires all the way around. Wheels, as you see, I'll mark is fair to good condition. I mean, nothing crazy as far as there's no damage or a couple little curb rashing, and these Toyota wheels, no matter what, always have a little bit of pitting the way they are. Interior is extremely clean for the year and miles. Keep in mind, guys, we haven't touched this. There's still a little bit of loose dirt here and there, but this thing is super, super clean. Nice aftermarket Kenwood. Those are LCD screen 2-way alarm remote start combos. I'm gonna assume they're remote starts, okay? I'm not gonna guarantee it, but we do Viper alarms here, and these do have remote start 99% of the time. So just to be on the safe side, we're not going to label it as remote start, but I can guarantee you it probably has it. You got 2 keys, 4-wheel drive. Feels good in here. AC's blowing nice and cold. Does have the typical cracking on the dash. Does have the upgraded JBL system. You got all your books and manuals. Door panels very clean. Does have your all-weather rubber mats as well. Back of the seats very clean. And keep in mind, guys, we are going to vacuum it and do a little scrub on the carpets, and we're going to get it definitely presentable if you buy it in this manner. Okay, so headliner, super clean, no issues. There's no odors in the car. I'm just now recognizing we're missing a headrest, so let me double check something. I will double check the inside, but I don't imagine why any of my guys would have taken that out. So we're gonna sell it with a missing headrest. Okay, seats are very clean. All you're seeing is a little bit of stuff that sticks to that velour. No odors whatsoever, guys. No pet odors, no smoke odors, anything like that. Just a really clean truck. Truck drives out phenomenal. Most importantly, drives out really good. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna pop the engine for you guys. The hood, I mean. So the engine bay is clean as far as no issues or wear. That's just a little bit of surface dust. That's all that is. Completely normal. Has nothing to do with the condition of the engine, of course. Not going to turn the radio on because due to copyright infringements, they will take us off of YouTube. Well, not take us off, they'll take the video off of YouTube. Engine's very responsive. Nice truck, guys. If you guys have any questions, buying it like this, 855-955-3377. Now, on the second option, and we will do this if this truck, we're third week of June right now. So third week of July, if this truck does not sell, here's what we're gonna do to this truck. It's gonna come with 2 new headlights. We're gonna repaint the bottom panels right there. We're going to paint correct the entire vehicle. The paint will look absolutely as new as possible. It'll look beautiful. Full-fledged detail, even though as you just saw the interior, we'll remove the seats, vacuum, steam clean the carpet, steam clean the seats, and we're gonna go through and service absolutely every aspect of this. Now, the first way that we're gonna sell it, we're still gonna make sure that it has no major mechanical issues. If the brakes are in needing of getting redone, we're gonna do that, but we're not gonna go over the top with servicing as we do with a lot of our vehicles and do sort of preventative stuff to make it a turnkey, enjoyable 2-3 year ownership vehicle without doing any major services. So the first go around, we'll check, all the major stuff, oil change, stuff like that, obviously. Second go around, full paint correction, full detail, full reconditioning. We'll probably do a set of new tires all the way around. We may even lift it 3 inches. So make sure you just read the listing. We'll have what we're gonna do on the second version. And of course, that's gonna run up the bill on this as well. So once again, 855-955-3377. Thank you.